Hi everyone, I wish for a good time, good morning, and I'm going to showing you in this review on how to save any project or any pictures from Photoshop, saving as tape JPG to showing like a picture from your files of your computer. For example, you have this picture. You may come to masking the picture and removing the background. When you're coming to pressing and holding Ctrl and S from your keyboard, you coming here, you don't see just these tapes. You need to unlock all tapes from your Photoshop for saving as picture. You now coming to edit list from up of screen, coming down, move to the preference and going to the performance from the list window. When you see the window, you come to file heading and you just need to enable legacy save as and click OK, and then you now trying to saving from keyboard, press and hold Ctrl and S, or you can come to the file save as, you see, and here you see the all tapes on all choices unlocked, so you can get the choose JPG and saving, so you can rename and any name, for example. So here you see the large files, small files. You move to the large file and get the maximum choose to quality, to best quality, and click the OK to saving it, and you see now the picture is saved. This review is finished, so thanks for watching. I wish you like and share the video for anyone, so subscribe the channel to see more videos and coming soon if God willing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I wish for you good time and good luck.